Welcome to Beyond the Megapixel, the science of the 2 nanometers ISP. We're diving into the future of mobile photography and video processing with Samsung's cutting-edge technology. This is a generational leap. While megapixels capture light, the 2 nanometers image signal processor, or ISP, captures reality, providing unprecedented detail and clarity. The foundation of this efficiency is the 2 nanometers chip's gate-all-around technology. This advanced structure achieves a 50% reduction in power consumption compared to traditional architectures. We've implemented advanced thermal management with the new heat path block. This innovation cuts thermal resistance by 16%, ensuring the phone stays cool even under heavy load. This chip ensures sustained performance output. The ISP records 8K video at 30 frames per second without dropping any frames or dimming the screen, offering endless recording capability. The anticipation engine, part of the visual perception system, anticipates the scene. It detects smiles and blinks, capturing the perfect moment even before the user presses the shutter button. Achieve pixel-perfect precision. The ISP separates ultrafine textures like hair and fabric, sharpening them differently in real time for unparalleled image quality. You can own the night with DVNR technology. Utilizing AI, DVNR effectively removes electronic noise while protecting natural textures in low-light conditions, ensuring clear and detailed night shots. The 2 nanometers chip allows simultaneous heavy processing, running demanding AI models during 8K video capture without overheating, a major advantage over older 3 nanometers chips. The ISP and NPU blocks form a unified brain. The direct pairing gives the NPU a 113% speed boost, enabling on-device AI to restore digital zoom details efficiently. This unprecedented scale supports massive 320 megapixel sensors, enabling the camera to capture images with zero shutter lag. We achieve zero ghosting HDR by processing multiple exposures simultaneously. This instantly eliminates HDR ghosting for perfectly blended images. Front camera parity means the 12 megapixels front camera uses the same AI logic as the rear camera, making your video calls look spectacular. This generational matrix highlights the 2 nanometers ISP's superior hardware and software, setting new benchmarks in node technology, resolution, 8K video, and AI speed. The ultimate vision is selling the smartest camera on the market, going beyond megapixels to deliver true reality capture with Samsung's 2 nanometers ISP.